Master Trainer Solomon Pratt is in the building. So I just came back. I just left out of Target. I did a nice quick little grocery store run. So I'm going to show you all some of the things that I got today. So these are different things you can have that's in line with you being able to accomplish your goals. And these items and snacks taste delicious. So I'm going to be making my cheeseburger today with my new healthy and expensive barbecue sauce. So the one barbecue sauce that we're going to talk about though is the one by Primal Cherry. No, it's by KC Natural, and this one is called Primal Cherry. This is tomato free. This is cost me $20. And the other one is the Mastodon one. This is also tomato free. So I'm curious to know which one tastes better. So I'm gonna put it on my cheeseburger and I'm gonna decide. I'm excited about this, y'all. So I've been waiting for this sauce to come for a few days. All right, y'all. So, okay. And this is what I went and got today when I was in Target. So these two, I got these two from Amazon. I had to order these off of Amazon. In fact, I'm going to leave the link in the description so you can order yours too. So I actually haven't made hamburgers in a while. So I said, okay, I'm gonna make a hamburger with it. So the hamburger that I got is 93% lean. This one's good. I got that one, and I got also some sandwich bread. I haven't had no sandwich bread in a while, but I'm gonna have it today. So this one is by Brown Berry. This one has 80 calories per slice. Protein, it has 4 grams, and the fiber is 2 grams, and the sodium is 120. So I'm gonna have this. So I'm definitely excited about having this because, man, I've been waiting for this barbecue sauce to come. I'm curious to know which one tastes better, and then my goal would be to work on making it myself too. But most people won't pay $20 for a barbecue sauce, but I will. So it's more healthy, especially I want to stay away from tomatoes. So yeah, so definitely, yeah. But this has per 2 teaspoons, it has 7 grams of sugar. Sodium is 90. So this is the Primal Kitchen one. What's the other one? What's the other one? Yes, and like the other one, the Mastodon one. This one has sugar has 8 grams. This one has 8 grams of sugar with this one. I mean, actually, this one has a little bit of fiber. This one has actually both has 1 gram of fiber. So this one right here is made with carrots, blackstrap molasses. Blackstrap molasses, water, apple cider vinegar, garlic, salt, grated onion. Okay, has that, lemon juice, maple syrup, natural smoke flavor. Okay. So I'm interested about having that. It also got one of my favorite snacks because I ran out. This is my Lenny and Larry's protein bar. I've been having this for the last 2 years. This tastes delicious, and this has one protein bar has 320 calories. Fat is 10, sugar is 12, and the fiber is 10. So this has a good mix. So I've been having this for breakfast. This and my plant-based protein shake for 2 years. So one thing I tell people all the time, you got to pick a side. So do you want to have, do you basically want to be on the side where the people are fit and healthy, or do you want to be on the side where people are overweight? So especially in the beginning, you want to go and make it so simple that you can stick to it. So this tastes delicious. And also one of the reasons why I got to watch them too, because now even with their smaller bars, they were putting a lot of air, and now they're kind of trying to BS me a little bit though. So this got some air in it, so I gotta watch it with them. These companies be trying to give you less product, but just I'll make it work, you know. But yeah, I got that, and I got also my favorite, one of my new, I say probably that's my new favorite drink, which is the poppy one. I like either the grape one or the orange one. So this one tastes delicious, and this has only 25 calories. delicious. But this is good. And the sugar is only 5 grams of sugar, and the fiber is 3 grams. So, but yeah, so you wouldn't work on just buying drinks that have less than about 30 calories. If you can get stuff that got 10 calories. My other favorite drink is the Bai drinks. So that one has like 10 calories. So this one is very good. So this actually has it has sugar cane. It has that apple cider vinegar. So yes, definitely, and it has stevia leaf. So yes, so definitely, I'm gonna have a sip of this right now while I'm talking to y'all. I'm a little thirsty. Because I think about this all the time. One of the reasons that a lot of people are overweight is most of the foods and the snacks in the store are unhealthy. But most people don't know what healthy options they can have that taste good and that's good for them. That's what a person hired me to take out the guesswork for them. It's about having systems. When you have systems, you know, let's say motivation runs out most of the time. You're not going to feel motivated. Discipline lasts longer, but you know, at a certain point, discipline even runs out. So the only thing you can rely on is systems. And that's what I do for my clients. Is I give them 4 different ways they can log their macros and calories. And once they log a meal one time, they can save it as a favorite, and then they don't have to log it again. So you got to do what fit people do. Fit people have systems. So definitely, so yep, I'm gonna have a bite of this while I'm talking to y'all. This is so good. I never get tired of eating these. So that's what you want. Find items that's healthy, that's in line with you being able to accomplish your goals, that you enjoy eating. And yes, and then you'll make the process a whole lot simpler. So, if you all would like getting help with finally being able to accomplish your goals, you fill out my application. I'm going to review your application to see as if you're a good fit for my program, and we'll see as if I can help you. So if you're a busy person, a busy woman, you gain 50, 60 pounds, and you're tired of saying, man, you know, just my clothes are not fitting, you want to do something about it, go on and fill out the application. And you also can get my book, The Anti-Inflammatory Fitness Bible for Women, that'll also help you too. So yeah, definitely I go over all kind of stuff. So the book will definitely help you, especially to get your mindset right. But you have to change the way you're thinking. A lot of people, they'll think that things that's healthy taste bad. All the foods and snacks that I recommend taste delicious. Everything that I recommend. But most people problem is if they want to eat something new all the time. And then so think of it like this though. At fit people, they keep it so simple. What makes you think you can eat whatever you want to eat and have a fit popping body? And then you're less disciplined than a person who's fit. So I'm just saying, saying that you want to just keep it simple in the beginning. And once you get more advanced, you get some results and you build up your discipline and your confidence in yourself, then you can work on having more healthy options. So all right, y'all, I hope this helps. And yes, I'm going to later on make a video with me making the hamburger, the cheeseburger. All right, y'all. So remember, I love you. I believe in you, and you are not your past. You are not your pain. You are stronger than you ever can imagine. And I believe in you. See you all next time.